I have no idea what's fucking happening anymore. I'm planting.
Heaven. Okay. Sounded like a Muppet! You cannot tell me he didn't sound like a Muppet!
What is the fucking... There.
Fuck was that?
Our teammate just looked at the op.
Huh? Huh?
There's too long.
It's like a fucking Hydra head. Every time you look back, there's another one.
Two.
And
Two for sure.
one enemy. Ah, ah, ah. Two enemy. Ah, ah, ah.
Are you pushing through
out.
there?
Yeah, with the release. Holy shit. Fucking...
I'm pushing
What
up.
the fuck?
Nope. Where was he at?
I mean, JFK technically had a plan.
GFK.
I said JFK. I had food in my mouth.
Gone.
Gary fucking Kennedy.
Because he was gone. Oh my god. Gary F. Kennedy.
3 bullets.
Nah, he only needs 3.
There's 4 alive.
Pull it. No ball.
I hit him.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
I almost called you Tristan. Tristan's not this good.
That was 8. Oh my god.
Good job, Jackson.
That.
Ow!
What?
Can you not? Well, I got a 4K.
So I love that Matt doesn't get to kill the entire first half of the game, and then the first round gets a 4K.
For real. He's learned the map.
The duality of man.
For real.
That was
See that smoke? That smoke is statistically proven to be useless.
Oh, good. The more you
Dude,
know.
actually, you cannot tell me this isn't too bad.
Oh my god. He's hit 27.
Watch me, I'm a pro bunny hopper.
I'm a pro bunny hopper, gets domed.
But at least I died with supporting my team in no way, you know? Can you stop?
Sorry, I'm just dragging a chair
You
across the
sound
ground.
like when people fucking like squeak their shoes on the ground.
I have no idea what's fucking happening anymore. I'm planting.
Heaven. Okay. Sounded like a Muppet! You cannot tell me he didn't sound like a Muppet! Hey man. Dude, he's so lit! 50 Tim. Truck. That flash is actually immaculate.
No way.
Behind you, behind you.
Behind you.
What?
How did
I don't know how it did that.
work? How did that
Tim, you're gonna
work?
die.
I built. Oh my god! I built alternatively.
Oh god, I'm the last one.
No. Not with that attitude, you're not. I mean,
Yeah, just
that
having, the
attitude.
positive having that positive attitude spawns another teammate.
Exactly. Just throw your revolver in the fire.
Take fifth flash.
That's not a offer.
All right, watch this guy mid getting challenged again. He's gonna get absolute shit rocked.
As Tim gets his absolute share on.
He's your right, your right, your right.
Tim, that was such a monotone scream. How did... Tim, that
Should have been him dead.
Tim, that was such an unenthusiastic scream. Just ah.
Last one is where I died. Dude, he cannot track you. I saw him aiming up in the air and he could not hit you for anything. He was just tracking. He was like, bro, he had delay. Like he was following you perfectly, just like 5 seconds in the past. It was like so perfect, except for the fact that it wasn't.
Oh.
No, that's it. Bayon is mine.
Apparently, I get killed by.
Go and defuse, bitch. I
There's-
didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Bitch. Damn,
I made it through. I made it through. Okay.
Ignore it. Yeah, but you also missed the
Shut up.
I made it through. He says we're falling to his demise.
I can't fucking breathe.
I can't breathe either.
Oh.